大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英. This is our second lesson of the series, Chinese Daily Conversation. In this lesson, you will learn common phrases used in telling time in Chinese. If you haven't been able to say numbers in Chinese, I highly recommend you to refer to my previous lessons on teaching numbers in Chinese. You can find the links in the description box. I promise you, if you master those numbers and the common phrases, you will have no problem in telling time in Chinese. Without further ado, let's get started. How do you say what time is it in Chinese? 现在几点了？现在几点了？现在几点了？现在 means now, at present. 几 means what. 点 the literary meaning of it is dot, and here it means hour, time. Since time is visualized as dot on the clock, so hope it helps you understand in this way. And here, le actually has no meaning. It is just put at the end of this sentence to make it sound affable. And it's kind of equally acceptable to say it 现在几点?现在几点? So, do you get it? What time is it? In Chinese is 现在几点了?现在几点了? And here, as you see in the clock, it is 3 o'clock. So we can say 3点,3点. And there are other common phrases used in telling time, and they are 3点半, 3点5分, 3点差5分. I know they might sound a little bit complex to you, but don't worry, I'll unpack it for you one by one. So the first common phrase is what o'clock, and the Chinese version is 几点. So you just put the hour and then plus 点. It means 1 o'clock sharp, 2 o'clock sharp. It's something like this. So, for instance, here is 1点, 2点, 3点, 4点, 5点, 6点, 7点, 8点, 9点, 10点, 11点, 12点. So, do you get it? So just the hour plus 点. And the next common phrase is half past what time? And the Chinese version is 几点半. 点 means hour, 半 means half. So what you need to do is just put the hour here and plus 点半. It means half past what? So for instance, here, 6:30. So the hour is 6. So 6:30. And here 7:30. 7:30. So do you get it? You just put hour and add 点半. It means half past what time? And the other common way we used in telling time is what time past what time, and the Chinese version is 几点几分. 点 means hour, 分 means minute. So you just put the hour here and the minute here. For instance, this is 11:40. So in Chinese it is 11:40. The hour is 11. The minute is 40. It's 10 past 2. So the hour is 2. That is 2点. And the minute is 10. 10 is 10. 10分. So 10 past 2 is 2点10分. And there's one thing that I would like to share with you, and I think it might be very helpful to you, because there are two ways to say 2 in Chinese. One is 二, another one is 两, and 二 is used for ordinal numbers. For instance, the second, we say 第二, it means the second. And for the word 两, it is used before a measure word. For instance, 2点 means 2 o'clock. 两人 means 2 people. So it is used before a measure word. So in telling the time, we normally use 两 instead of 二. Do you get it? And the next common phrase is what time to what. And here we just put the hour here, and 几点差几分. Hour here and plus 点. 差 means minus. So then you put the minutes and plus 分. 分 means minutes. So 几点差几分. For instance, here is 10 to 3. So the hour is 3点差10分. So it's like 3 o'clock minus 10 minutes. And here is 7 to 2. So the hour is 2 and the minute is 7. So 2点差7分. 2 o'clock minus 7 minutes. Do you get it in this way? And since it's almost 3 o'clock, it's almost 2 o'clock, so it's totally acceptable to say 快几点了. For instance, here, 快3点了. It's almost 3 o'clock. 快2点了. It's almost 2 o'clock. So if you don't need a specific time, so it's totally acceptable, just say 快几点了. Well, let's have a recap of what we learned today. So what time is it in Chinese is 现在几点了?现在几点了? There are 4 common phrases in telling the time. If it's kind of 1 o'clock sharp, 2 o'clock sharp, so you just need to use the hour plus 点. 一点, for instance, 1 o'clock. And if it's like several minutes past the hour, you can say 几点几分. Put the hour here and the minutes here. 几点几分. And if it's half past the hour, so you can say 几点半. Just put the hour here and plus 点半. 几点半. And if it's several minutes to the hour, you can say 几点差几分. Put the hour here and then put the minutes here. 几点差几分. So how's it going, everyone? Can you tell time in Chinese now? Leave it in the comment below. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact that you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。